Typically, portrait studios require a lot of space. You need backdrops, lights, modifiers, stands, and all kinds of stuff that's hard to carry around with you. And if you do travel, you need a truck or at least a car. It takes forever to load in and out and set up, and before you know it, your sciatic nerve comes calling and you're out of action for a couple of weeks.
Dr. McCoy is right.
Or at least that's what I thought, until I came across these, the Lumecube Panel Pro 2.0s. Hi everybody, I'm Kersten Luts and you're watching Platypod TV, brought to you by Platypod, where innovation never sleeps. And this video is all about fitting your portrait studio into your handbag. Or man bag, whatever floats your boat. If you've seen some of my other videos on this channel, you should know by now that I like to travel light, especially on my Vespa Primavera. So today I'm going to take you through 3 basic headshot lighting setups using the Panel Pros and a whole bunch of awesome Platypod gear. Also, I've got a fun bonus tip for you at the end, so make sure you stick around for that. Now let's bring a touch of Barbie magic into our lighting setup. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Barbie cosplay, so give it up for our fantastic model, B.
Hi!
Before we jump into the lighting, let's take a quick look at our set. We've got B here bringing Barbie to life with her amazing look. The colors are rich and vibrant, creating a playful atmosphere. To achieve the perfect lighting for our Barbie shoot, I'm using the Platypod Panel Pro LED panels. These panels are not only super portable, but also incredibly versatile. I've got 3 of them set up, and they come with a removable diffuser to soften the light. Also, you can change the color to any color you like, which will come in handy later on. But let's have a look at lighting setup number 1.
The Peter Hurley.
The first Panel Pro is our key light, providing the primary illumination for our scene. It's positioned in front of her and slightly up at a 45-degree angle, casting a beautiful, soft beauty light on B and bringing out those Barbie vibes. The second Panel Pro is our fill light, just to the left of the face, balancing out the shadows and ensuring we capture all the details. Now we can adjust the power output to our liking depending on how much we want to fill in, or we could leave them turned off completely depending on whether we want to go for a slightly harder Vogue-style glamour look. Now lighting from above can cast unwanted shadows under the chin and inside the eye sockets. So to counterbalance that, we can place our third Panel Pro just underneath to fill in those shadows. Here's a quick tip. I've set all 3 lights to the same color temperature, in this case 5600 Kelvin or daylight. And I've set my camera to the same. That way, my colors should be as close as possible to what I can see with my eyes. Okay, ready? Let's get shooting.
The hair light.
For our second setup, we'll swap one of the lights around and position it behind B, opposite the key light, slightly off to the side. It'll allow us to separate her from the background and create a more refined, glossy look. The next setup is what I call
The Ring of Fire.
All I need for this is my Panel Pros, 4 goosenecks, a couple of handles, and Platypod Extremes. That being said, I could just mount the handles on a couple of regular lighting stands for extra height. This setup packs down super small and weighs almost nothing. It fits easily in my camera bag. Similar to the first setup, we're creating a flat lighting look, but we're flexible enough to fill in the shadows to whatever degree we like. Just play around until you find the perfect balance.
The color explosion.
I love that we can change the color of these Panel Pros to any color we want. That's awesome because we can really get creative without the need for any gels. I'm going for blue and red, and I place my lights on either side of B's face. We won't need any key light because any white light will overpower the effect, so make sure you turn off your studio lights and let's get shooting. There you have it, folks. Awesome headshots with gear that fits into your handbag. Lighting Barbie. See what I did there?
Wow!
With Lumecube's Panel Pro 2.0s is easy and totally uncomplicated. The versatility of those lights allows us to create dynamic and stunning images. These things are small, but pack quite the punch in an awesome addition to your gear bag. Whether that's to illuminate your main subject or create some atmospheric background light. And don't forget, these are amazing for video too. If you follow my podcast, the Camera Shake podcast, you'll see me use them all the time as hair lights and to create color in the background. And if you're not yet following the Camera Shake podcast, then what are you doing? Check it out on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and wherever awesome podcasts live. As always, take a snapshot of your setup or share your final shots on Instagram. If you've been experimenting with Platypod gear or try out the lighting setups we've discussed today, I want to see your creations. Make sure you tag Platypod on Instagram and use the hashtag #PostMyPlatypod. And if you like this video, we have a button specifically for you right here. Join the community over on Facebook to see what other Platypod users are up to, and ring the bell so you don't miss our regular videos. That, my friends, is all for today. Keep creating, and I'll see you next time.